Hey guys, welcome to another video. There's a user on Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun is that website where you can make your own meme coin in like 5 minutes. All you need is a name, an image, a few links, and you can make your own meme coin for like minimum $5, but most people put in $50 to $100. Well, anyways, there's this Pump.Fun user who's minted 18,000 tokens on Pump.Fun, and he's made 3.8 million in profits. No joke. You can see everything on the blockchain. And someone on Twitter dug in. This guy Connor, I believe he works for Coinbase, or he's someone important in he's a Coinbase director, Conor Grogan. He did the digging, he found it, and he was sharing it on Twitter. And a bunch of articles have spawned because of this Twitter post that Connor put up. So like he said, they dug in and they noticed that he was the biggest Pump.Fun token creator, and he did it as a business, and roughly 12 tokens per hour. And when you look at the tokens, he creates it. He doesn't even add an image. Usually he sells out right away. That's known as a rug. And then takes whatever he can and he moves on. Some of the tokens eventually go to the bonding curve. So he'll get an extra I believe it's a half a Solana, which is roughly $100. Well, net, when he does this of making coins and then rugging them, he's made over 3.8 million doing this. Now, it's considered unethical. Rug farming or pulling rugs is considered shady activity, but it's not technically illegal. So a lot of people are doing it. He's not the only one, but technically it's unfair because you're creating a project and then taking all the liquidity as soon as possible. And it's not genuine because you're creating a token. People invest in it, hoping that it goes up, that it becomes something, and then when you rug it, you're kind of shooting it in the foot. Some of them do take off. I did look at the profile, and some of them do eventually go bonding. So that's how he gets the additional airdrop. When a successful coin gets bonded, he gets another airdrop, but that's not his game. His game is just to create it, rug it, and move on. There's something to be said about that. I think it was is it roughly $30,000 a day. So you can't really hate on a strategy that's working for him. Anyways, I thought I would share that. I'll share the link in the description, and take a look and let me know what you think.